Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you very quick how to loop back the videos on Canva free account. So you can see I have videos here with 10 seconds and I will choose play. Okay, you can see after the videos is finished, the video will pause and it will not looping again and again. So how you can do it? Firstly, I will trim this video to about 4 seconds for quicker for you guys, because 10 seconds is too long for you guys to see my tutorials videos. So 4 seconds is okay. After that, I will choose my videos. I will choose the edit option over here and I will scroll all the way down, and you can see we have the option called playback. We have play on repeat and play automatically. So if you want to loop your videos or repeat your videos, you will enable this option. Okay, I will come back to my videos, and remember, to make this video looping, you will choose this video and play the video directly, and you can see if this video are looping or not. Okay, here we are, the videos are looping. As you can see right now, after the videos end, it's automatically start from beginning. But remember, for you, it need to be play directly on the videos like this, and then when you export the videos, it will looping and looping again. But if you don't play directly in the videos, you play in your project timeline like this, will not loop your videos, because this one is project timeline. You need to have a lot of edit to your videos. But if you play directly in your videos, the videos will looping again and again. It's suitable for you if you have some videos need to be looping again and again, or you have some presentation that need your videos repeatedly play. Okay, that's all my videos. If my videos are helpful, please give me a like and subscribe and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.